Hey, welcome back. Now let's do um let's add some stuff here so that it looks as we want. And for us to be able to make it to be glowing, we'll need to define some CSS classes and properties. So for us to be able to get that done, we will, as I said in the earlier video, the focus of this video on is not on CSS. So I'll just be showing you the CSS classes just for clarity's sake, while we just use it directly. Now in the assets, I will have another CSS class here. Okay, let's just put it here so you see it. The placeholder, this is the placeholder to put it as inline block and put some styles. The main important thing again would be this keyframe. The wave key, no, the glow keyframe. At keyframes glow, it will be blinking the opacity. Just be alternating the opacity at 50 degrees. So 0 to 50 degree, 50 degree to 100, which is equivalent to 0. So that's what we'll be using here. And if we try to refresh our page, we should, okay, let's see if everything's working fine. So there's the CSS, okay, and this is the card placeholder. Let us add other card placeholder to it so that classes of the class place card placeholder, so that this is one of it. Again, we're going to add the movie card when we over on it. Or should it be like, should be like coming. All right, have you seen it? So when you over on it, it looks like that. And things are pretty not too beautiful here for now because we are still building. So let's just manage it the way it is for now. And I think we've added the card image. Let's add the text box. So these are the necessary classes we'll be adding. Okay. Having done that, make sure this is there. So we come to this, to our main.css. Now we emptied it. So we are going to import at import at import placeholder.css. Now let's see, it's now blinking on the whole stuff because we don't have some other things added. Okay, and when we bring this to the view, okay, that's exactly the blinking we're talking about. So let's make this other text height and the rest to work properly. For that, we need to come back to we need to go to the home. We could add it anywhere actually. Let us add it. Okay, let's try and go to the body of this main.css. let us add some stuff to it. So let's add some CSS right away. For the body, let's have this. Let's have this definition and let us view our stuff. Okay, it means it is working fine as expected. Okay, that is that over there. Okay, just as I said, let us add other CSS styles so that we don't keep coming back to add more, add more, add more. Okay, I'll just add for the this styles, this set of styles should be enough for what we are doing in this aspect. So when there is an overflow, we have that, but there is none now. So another thing we want to see is supposed to have some stacked values here. For that to work, we could as well just pick this. Now let's try to bring everything into another component called movie tiles. Sorry, movies list view. That view. This is the container that will hold everything that we need. So let it just look simple as this. I'll just copy some CSS and bring them here. Okay, so let's do something like script. As usual, language, TS. I come to the end and template. We'll get to this later. So let's just do the CSS style. Now this is where we'll be doing the styles for the movies. So let's start with the basic style. Okay, let's see how the structure is actually first before we put the styles. We're going to do something like this. Let's go with the placeholder first. Let's go with something like this. Let's have a section. Section of section of class movies, and let the structure just be very simple. Our video will soon end, so I'll just show us this and we'll continue from this in the next video. So you see the movie card placeholder is where we'll be putting this. That's if the result is not, if we don't have movies here, then the placeholder should be running. So that's what it is. See you in the next video. Okay.